Family. We say family. No. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a surprise box revealing. We're gonna open it. We're going to see what it is, and I think these are like we got it from the candy store. What, the candy shop?
It's like candy from different countries.
We can't hear you.
It's candy from different countries.
Different country snacks. So we're gonna be trying different country snacks. I'm not sure, we have different ones, so this is the first one we're gonna try. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get it. All right. I'm gonna open it. Christmas is over. Okay? Nobody asked you for help.
Let's go. Tokyo version.
All right.
What's
we have Japanese snack pack.
What's the name of the store you get it from and where did you buy it? You give them a shout out.
We got it from...
It's sugar. It's sugar in the box.
Yeah. It's sugar.
You can find it on Instagram. You just type it in.
That's what we got it from. It's sugar, actually. So it's sugar. Better be paying me for this, okay? And this is the Tokyo box. All right? Japanese snacks. Y'all see that? Japanese snacks. Guys, let's see what's in it. How do I open it? Oh.
Any way you want.
The complication.
I couldn't find it. It was a...
Oh no.
You want broke up your finger?
Never broke my finger, man. Yo, brother, let me we're gonna do it the old woolly kind of way. Since we you always cut away from yourself when you're losing
that was easy.
Bro, relax, man.
I just want to see.
Just jump this up. Boy.
Oh, wow. This is all a bunch of Japanese, even gummy bears falling out. I know what gummy bear look like.
Naruto. Ooh.
Okay, excuse me. Don't even go there.
We'll hold that for you.
So, all right. What are we going to start with?
Naruto.
We're going to start with, what is it? Egg potato chips. Scrambled egg potato chips. Look, guys. Scrambled eggs potato chips.
Can we take a touch of Naruto right now?
Okay, let's look at Naruto.
Yes.
Please.
Thank you.
A second of prayer. Thank you. They smell like scrambled eggs.
Well, you smell it before you open it, bro.
The smell hit me. It's scrambled eggs.
Hold on.
Yeah, Christian.
Hold on.
Okay, so we're going to take everything out of the box so you guys can see. That's a lot of fun.
Say ice.
Oh, girl, look.
I mean, it's a very nice box.
Family.
So talk about the packaging. The packaging was actually good.
Yeah, it is nice.
I like the box.
But not eat the packaging. Look, it says say hi, it's sugar. Act, it's sugar. So, babe, here. Why are you eating it all? Here, babe, you have to try it's scrambled egg potato chips.
Naruto biscuits.
It's not bad.
Oh my! Exactly, it's good, right?
It's actually good. I never had scrambled egg potato chips, but I did today. Hey, you know anything come from Japanese or China, they know what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, Japan.
It says Japanese.
Yeah, Japanese.
Japanese are the people. Japan is the country.
Okay. Now this is
actually good.
It is.
Like I would really recommend this.
It's good.
Yes, but this is good.
This says 7 sticks. This is the next one we're gonna try.
What's in it? What's in the steak? It looks creamy.
It says it's good.
I'm still stuck on this scrambled egg.
You're not stuck on Naruto?
No, the chip is actually good.
It's actually good.
Like, I wasn't expecting that though.
Me either.
I mean, not saying it was supposed to be bad,
You got the all-rare fruit down here, you know?
Because we have another chips that we buy. Where is it from? Japan or China?
No idea what you're talking about.
The one that we buy is from
The one
store.
with the rings. The ring
That's not a
chip.
chip.
Okay. Oh, I know this.
Why is everything from
This
Naruto?
is just a different name.
This is from Naruto too. It says Sakura.
Oh, here. This is just a different name. I'm used to this.
This is good.
Yeah, I know that one.
So one time when they have no name.
Right, 7 sticks.
I get.
Oh.
That's what it says. And this just says mini.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna just whatever we tried already. We're just gonna put back here, babe. Let the chips go. Let the chips go, babe. Now this is mini. We're gonna try mini. Okay.
The first shot.
I don't know.
Shot of what?
A shot of Pepsi.
Shut up. Pepsi.
That looks like it's gonna be serious.
You can look at it. Hold up. Look what
So-
it says. It says soda chewing candy.
Hmm?
It says soda chewing candy.
This is some little. It look like some little cream biscuits. It's lemon.
What, you smell it?
It smells so good. You know the fragrance hit your nose?
I don't like lemon.
Go.
Okay, babe. So your turn.
Man, too big, bro.
Sorry, babe.
Look where I think this. You got fingers like these.
Nasty, right?
No, it's not. It's good. It's lemon cake.
Something I'll kick.
The lemon cake. The lemon cake.
Bro, it says Sakura. It's not.
Hello.
Melon.
So that was the lemon one we just tried, guys.
Yeah, the lemon is actually it's good, you know. It's not for me per se, but
Nah, it's nasty.
it's good, you know what I mean. Wife, I love it. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. Gotta take this. Yeah. Oh.
So we're gonna put this lemon to the side.
Oh, can we just admire how good I look right now?
Seriously?
Yes, folk.
Come on in. Since you want to be trying something.
Like you wasn't eating.
So what's this say? Panda roll. Panda roll. What did I say? Panda roll. This is the one we're gonna be trying next, guys. See? So, oh, it's a panda. Look at that. It's just a panda cookie. See?
You can fill it through the package.
Shut up.
You're not.
Oh, it's just a shortbread. It tastes like a shortbread cookie.
What is this?
You're just greedy.
I did it on accident.
It just tastes like a shortbread cookie.
This is good.
It is. You don't like it? It just tastes like a shortbread cookie. Eat your panda roll.
Just have a shot.
I'll give it this. So we're gonna try this one. This says, I don't know what it says. It's in Chinese. Japanese.
It's Japanese.
It's in Japanese.
It says soda chewing candy.
It
Look
says
up-
what?
look
Oh,
under it.
soda chewing candy. It does say soda chewing candy.
Yeah, big brain.
I'm glad you could read. Here you go. One for you.
Thank
One
you.
for you. What it tastes like? That don't look like it tastes good. It's a gum.
I don't know. It tastes weird.
It tastes like gum.
Is it gum though? No.
No, it's just a soft candy.
It's good.
It tastes like it can be gum, but it's not.
It doesn't taste like a soda.
Yeah, that too. All right. It says cola.
I can't pick up with the flavor.
So now we're gonna be trying the cola.
Yeah?
Hmm?
I can't pick up with the flavor.
That blueberry. We're gonna be trying the cola.
The flavor and doesn't know that.
I can't pick it up.
Don't pick it up. Put it down. This just tastes like it's a gummy cola. You know the little cola.
It's just the off version. Yes.
Thank you. And these are tiny.
Yeah. It's not bad.
Yes.
And this one is what, Christian?
Pocky.
What is it, Christian?
Pocky.
Oh. That's what you want to try, huh?
Yes. Strawberry.
How you know?
I read it.
It says it right there.
Should have been.
Oh, what is? Why is it on a stick?
Should have been the
Not
chocolate one.
thick.
Oh.
It's in like a lot of reality shows
Amazing.
and TV shows where they get like two partners
Amazing.
to do it.
Guys, here it
Couple
is.
game.
See?
Amazing.
He said it's amazing.
There's no doubt about it.
Yeah, this is nice.
Okay, here, y'all can have that. They said that's nice.
I like how I'm getting every.
You alert.
No.
Why you sit down? There's more.
Yeah, sit down. There's more.
Yeah, let me help you.
Thank you.
All right. So, hey, this one is some Japanese candy thing, and I don't know. There's no name or nothing on it, so you know.
Gotta
Oh,
have water.
it's an ice cream cone.
With no ice cream.
No, it's not ice cream cone.
Yes, it is.
Exactly, the ice cream cone. Like make the ice cream for the ice cream cone.
With ice cream. Oh, snap.
Oh wait, they can
You
do
too
ice
quick.
cream.
Oh, you too quick, bro.
Oh.
Next time we should just rip open the
Yeah,
bag.
well, I'm now do that.
Thank you.
Come, eat the cone. We're not making no ice cream. Nobody ain't got time for that.
Look at the back. Look at the back. Look at the back. I think we gotta
Does it
add,
give you extra?
yeah, add water.
Okay, well, we ain't
Oh,
adding no water
that's
today.
later. That's later thing. Probably tastes good.
You so greedy. All right,
ASMR.
Kitkat.
that's exactly what it is. And then this one, it says colorful.
It looks like.
That's
jelly
what it
beans.
The
says.
cone tastes like nothing.
It looks like
Yeah, it's
jelly
plain.
beans.
It's not a flavor cone. It looks like jelly
That's what
beans.
the ice cream is for.
Okay, well, I don't
get
want
it.
no space
Flavor.
ice cream. Oh no, here, y'all try that.
It's like
First.
off-brand Skittles.
Try it and tell me what it tastes like.
No, it looks like the chocolate M&Ms.
What?
It's a chocolate M&M.
You see, it tastes like the chocolate M&Ms. It tastes good.
Why are they so off-brand?
It's not. Be quiet. It's not off, man.
It's Japanese special.
Okay, guys, I know this. This is Kitkat. I know Kitkat. Okay.
See, bro? Naruto, bro. Sakura mochi flavor.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
you're in this Naruto.
Naruto. Naruto?
I'm just getting
This
everything.
tastes like ice cream.
There's more chocolate on it.
There's flavor. Mmm. Mmm.
It does taste like ice cream.
It does, right?
Yeah.
The strawberry ice cream. Mm-hmm. That's good.
Ice cream. Like the same flavor.
So we gotta try
Wait,
this
is this
one.
the same flavor from? Oh yeah, we got two.
I think.
This one's for me.
I think this is the same thing, isn't it?
Mochi.
It's what?
Mochi, I read it.
It's mochi.
It is a little different. Yes. What's mochi?
That's
It's like a candy.
Ew.
it's rice cake.
I don't like that. And then this
That shit's
one.
way better.
This one is some gummy candy, guys. I don't know what this one is. See? That's all you're doing is checking yourself out.
Yes. The
Why?
lighting is amazing.
These teenagers.
We could have had that Pepsi in the fridge. Now we gotta make it hot.
Should we put it in the fridge?
No. This is very wait, appley.
Apple.
Smell it. When you smell, you see, it's apple. It hits your nose.
Hit my tongue. Some powder on it.
No, I don't like.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah.
Thank you. I like
It's
this.
pear
Tastes good.
and that
It
powder.
does, right?
You guys are greedy.
It tastes good.
So they gave us 2 of it.
Yeah, this one's for me and Christian to share.
So we won't be
There's
eating,
another one?
opening this one because we
No.
just tried one. And what is this now?
Gotta save the best for last. So.
This is some other gummy candy, okay?
Bored to cookies.
I can say the Japanese snacks are not bad.
Not bad. They're good.
They're actually like our snacks, regular snacks. It's just
All brand.
Japanese.
no, it's just a Japanese.
All brand.
It's a
from
different
Japan.
name.
It's from Japan.
It's from Japan.
Yes.
It's Japanese.
Why didn't I give me that powder on it?
Yeah.
Ew. It tastes like lavender spray.
Hmm?
It tastes like lavender spray.
Sprite lavender.
Spray. Lavender spray.
Oh, how do you know what lavender spray tastes like?
Sprayed in my mouth on accident.
He's choking me.
This has
It's not bad.
taste before, but I
What you
don't know
said say
it
for
is.
last?
It
This
smells like cologne, yeah.
That
it tastes like cologne.
It's, yeah.
Oh,
it
Bartels
tastes like
biscuit.
cologne.
And guys, this is Barto
Biscuits.
biscuits. Barto.
That's Naruto's son for your information.
Who cares?
No, save it for live. Save it for live. What are you
Oh my
doing?
God.
Come on.
Well, we already know this is some gummy things. I'm not
Wait.
opening that. I don't want
We
to try
already
that.
tried this one.
No, we didn't.
It's still gummy.
We got to try this. I don't want to try that.
No, didn't we eat a panda?
No.
Yes, we did.
But this is a different flavor.
Oh, I thought we did.
No.
Still got that.
It's a
lavender.
same.
Still got that
It's the
See,
same
they got
taste, right?
so
the
this-
last gummy we had.
This has some green stuff on it.
Like how you gave me a big piece.
Here, Christian.
Here, Christian.
Sure, no, no.
Here, Christian.
Yo. Like, can you wait for us to eat it first?
This one tastes better than the first one.
Just saying.
No.
Well,
This has like some coconut flavor.
It has a more mild taste.
This is melon. See?
It's probably the green part.
This
of the
tastes
melon.
good. I like this. Christian, give it back. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
It tastes the same. Yeah, you
All
can
right, guys.
go- You can go ahead and try it.
We all know what seaweed is. I don't like seaweed. I'm not trying this.
No.
You want to try it?
No, you can go ahead and try it.
We're not trying this. I don't care if it's smoked. It could have been baked.
Hold on, I want to try.
No, you don't.
You don't know what it tastes like.
Okay.
It could be good.
All right, wait. Let me open it for you.
Interesting.
Yes.
I'll try it.
I'll try a small piece. So, I mean, since this is giving your review,
I should
Mom, you
have
have to
had.
try it
I
because
should have had Hassan. Nope.
it's giving your review.
Nope.
You have to try it.
Nope.
Then how you
You
gonna
try
give your review? A small piece.
That's
thank
what you guys are gonna do it.
A small piece. This is not small.
That's small.
Hold on, let me do it.
A snack you should try.
Interesting.
Where you going? Try it.
No, I'm okay.
Put it in your mouth. Try it. You want to try it.
No, I'm okay.
Try it.
I'm alright. Got decision.
How was it? Disgusting.
It was nasty. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I hate seaweed.
And then this is Norito's biscuit. We have
What?
two things.
Boruto.
Yes.
It's
Boruto.
Oh, sorry, Boruto. My bad, guys. My bad.
Boruto.
And then this says, this is a Pepsi shot.
This is fine.
Boruto, Norito, aren't they the same thing?
No.
No.
Okay, Buto.
One's
Yeah.
father and one's son.
Same thing.
And I don't watch Naruto, and I know this.
Okay. Well, I'm not watching Naruto.
That's very
Shapes are
disappointing.
It's Buto.
Boruto.
Yeah, same thing.
Isn't this
Mhm, wait.
Naruto? Christian, isn't this Naruto?
Where?
Right here.
Yes.
Naruto.
That's
Yeah,
Naruto.
But this is
It's
Boruto.
not Naruto.
Who cares?
Nar.
Oh, you guys didn't realize. It's shaped like him.
Yeah.
See?
So, you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Mhm. So
The chips are
Pepsi.
better.
Mhm. Good. Now we're gonna try this Pepsi shot, okay, guys? Did you lock it up?
It tastes like the animal cookie.
That's enough.
Now, I'm gonna take a shot.
It's
Put the roll lip on the can.
That's just Pepsi.
Did you shake it up?
Shake it up for what? You want to bust in my eye?
What's in that?
Come, try it. It's just Pepsi. No, you're trying too much. You said try it. You trying to finish it. What is it? Just Pepsi.
Interesting.
It's just Pepsi.
It's just Pepsi.
Yeah.
I like how you guys forgot that it's still Corona time. And we just
It's all right. We're family. Family. We say family. I like it. Some of the stuff was all right. I didn't, really care for it too much. But the other ones, look at this one. Look at this one. The other one's just fine. Thank you guys for being here with us to trying these Japanese snack pack. This is what it looks like. And it's from It's Sugar, right?
No.
Yes, It's Sugar.
Look it up on
It's Sugar.
Instagram.
Yeah.
Facebook, Instagram.
Yes, Facebook, Instagram, everything. It's Sugar.
These chips are amazing.
Twitter. So this is the, if anybody missed it, scrambled eggs potato chips that he liked. He said it's amazing. And some of the stuff was good, some of the stuff was alright. But I give it a, I don't know, a 7 out of 10.
Alright, that's disrespectful.
8.5.
That's disrespectful. They put Naruto in it. That's a cool 8 out of 10.
Okay, he gave it an 8 out of 10. But she gave it an 8.5.
Exactly.
Okay.
But anyway, everyone, thank you.
Yes, yeah.
Family, thanks for coming out. Let's like, share, subscribe. YouTube channel, Judith Chambers. Come on, everyone. Let's bust it up. Bust it up for 2022. Love y'all.